This is a cold start, empty carb start on this run, I should say. Just to show you that it runs excellent and starts excellent. This would be like bringing it out in the spring. You have to pull the fuel cock out that allows the fuel to get into the carburetor. As you can see, it's pumping water. Everything's good. Listen to it purr. Great motors. I installed the new needle jet for this. That way I can run it from to 25 to 1 fuel mix from the 10 to 1 that it was running before. So this is much better. This motor has the unsealed gear case. Gearbox is what they call it. The gear oil is brought up to the bottom of the threads, and you run it for 10 hours, they say, and it turns milky because there's no seals in there. And then at the end of 10 hours, you exchange the oil and put fresh 140 weight oil in. Gear lube, I guess you could call it. But I've got a gallon of that comes with it, and that's enough probably for the rest of the life of this motor. Look at how nice it purrs. Thanks for watching.